maintenance might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about home improvement. However, it's an essential part of keeping your home safe and secure. It's much more than just a chore. It's a crucial investment in the longevity of your home. We're renowned for our highly trained and skilled team. We believe in efficiency, and that's exactly what we deliver when it comes to roof maintenance. Our team is not just well-trained, they're experienced and capable of handling any type of roofing task with utmost efficiency. We're your best choice for roof maintenance in Surrey. We're a team of trained and skilled professionals who are dedicated to providing top-quality craftsmanship. You can rely on us to be there for you when you need us. By working with Astral Roofing and Building Limited, you're committing to peace of mind rather than a service.